let's fix some small problem of our game. Let's check this. No, this is not what we need. Okay, how to fix that? Let's go to, no, let's go to the project setting here. So general targets, right? This is our target. Device orientation. Yeah, so we have both iPhone and iPad. We have to set one by one. So uncheck this one so we can configure iPhone. So we only support portrait mode. Uncheck that. Now let's select that and uncheck this one. You see, we have to uncheck all the modes except the portrait. Okay, now we can click back this one. Let's run it. And see what. Oh, by accident I bring up a different simulator. Let's check it. Okay, cool. Yeah, it works. That's what we need. Okay, so that's why it took a while to bring it up. Let's stop it and let's go back to our small simulator. Yeah, let's quit this one. Command W, okay, to close a window of an application. Now let's run it. This one. Yes, it's fixed. Now let's handle the one of the issue, right, we found in our previous video. Is like that. Yeah, this guy. This is not allowed. How can we fix that? Let's add some check in our game engine. Connect4 game. So drop at, right? So we need to check how many pieces are there in this column, right? If the number is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, if it's already 6, then we should ignore this drop at, right? So we can do something like if do we have number of pieces at, yeah, if number of pieces at column is greater or equal than 6. What is 6? Is this guy dot rows, right? Then we can simply return, ignore. Okay, now let's run it to test. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Again. Yeah, you see? We can stop here, but we can do better. We can do better. So what about, how can we, like, don't play the sound if it's ignored, okay? It means we didn't, because we didn't drop a piece here. But the sound was played, right, in the other file, in the controller here, view controller. So better this guy, the controller can be notified about the whether it's successful or, right, a failure when we do tap, right? So this guy, if it can return some information, so we can based on the information to make decision, right? Do we need to update the UI and play the sound? What about returning a boolean to report like it is an actual dropping piece or it is ignored? Let's do it. So go back to here. Let's return a boolean here. So if that will return false, right? It means it's a failure. Otherwise, let's return true. So now we report true or false based on if we actually make a move, right? Now let's go back to our view controller here. So this guy, we can say if that we can do this, otherwise we just do nothing. Oh, now we don't need this to clean up our console. Colon equal finger location. Yeah, we can even finger location, sender location at, okay. We can save one line of code like that. Do we need, is it better? Is it more readable or no? Okay. Let colon equals preview dot colon at, which colon? This dot location, sender dot location colon at. I think we'd better to keep that. Yeah, it's more readable, more user friendly, the code. Okay, now let's try it. Let's go here. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. No, let's do here. Okay, cool.